Shrivantika opened a grocery store. Unfortunately, not many people know about her store, and the business is not growing. She can try billboards, TV or newspaper ads. But her budget is small and she wants proven results. Fortunately, there's a simple solution for people like Shrivantika, and that is Shopweb. To reach her target audience and sell her products online. E-commerce websites make selling your products online easy. Just add your product to the shopping page, set your price and product details, and start selling. We will even help you set up an online advertising campaign, targeting people in your location, age group and interest rates. With a comprehensive list of features or e-commerce storefront and in-depth analytics, we'll take your business to the next level. Call us today to get started.